When your headphones aren't loud enough on PC, software solutions offer the first and often most effective approach to boost your audio output. Windows 11 provides several built-in audio enhancements that can significantly increase your headphone volume without requiring additional software. The most effective built-in enhancement is loudness equalization. This feature analyzes audio content and automatically adjusts volume levels to reduce perceived differences between quiet and loud sounds. Volume Mixer provides another useful approach, allowing you to boost individual application volumes beyond the system maximum. This is particularly helpful for specific programs that output quieter audio. For more advanced control, free third-party software provides professional-grade audio enhancement. Equalizer APO is an open-source solution that offers precise frequency control and can provide clean amplification up to 20 decibels. VoiceMeter offers a different approach as a virtual audio mixer. It creates virtual audio devices that allow complex routing and real-time processing, making it ideal for content creators and advanced users. Software-based volume boosting works through digital amplification. This process multiplies the digital audio signal before it reaches your headphones, effectively increasing the perceived volume. However, digital amplification has limits. Most software solutions can provide 10 to 20 decibels of clean amplification before introducing distortion. Beyond this point, audio quality degrades significantly. Different software solutions offer varying levels of control and complexity. Windows' built-in tools are simple but limited, while third-party options provide professional-grade features for advanced users. Start with Windows' built-in enhancements for immediate results. If you need more control or higher boost levels, Equalizer APO provides the best balance of features and ease of use. Remember that software solutions work best as your first step before considering hardware upgrades. When software volume boosts reach their limits, hardware solutions become essential. This is especially true for high-impedance headphones that require more power to drive properly. High-impedance headphones, typically those above 250 ohms, require significantly more power than standard headphones. When these headphones are underpowered, they sound quiet and lack dynamic range. USB DAC and amplifier combinations are the most popular hardware solution. These devices convert digital audio from your PC to analog signals, then amplify them with dedicated circuitry designed specifically for driving headphones. Desktop headphone amplifiers provide the highest quality amplification. These dedicated units focus solely on amplifying audio signals, offering superior power delivery and multiple input options for different audio sources. USB audio interfaces offer comprehensive audio solutions beyond just amplification. These professional devices provide multiple inputs and outputs, low latency monitoring, and studio-quality digital-to-analog conversion. External sound cards bypass your computer's built-in audio, which often lacks sufficient power for demanding headphones. These devices provide dedicated audio processing and multiple output formats for different audio needs. High-quality DACs are crucial because they convert digital audio files into analog signals that headphones can reproduce. Better DACs provide cleaner conversion with less noise and distortion, especially important when amplifying signals. Hardware amplification provides clean gain without the distortion that occurs when pushing software volume to its limits. While software might clip or distort at high volumes, dedicated hardware maintains audio quality throughout the entire volume range. Hardware solutions require more investment than software options, but they're essential for audiophiles and users with high-impedance headphones. The investment preserves audio quality while providing the substantial volume increases that software simply cannot deliver safely. Hardware solutions provide the foundation for exceptional audio experiences. They offer proper impedance matching, clean amplification, and professional-grade audio quality that software alone cannot achieve. For serious audio enthusiasts, hardware amplification is not just an upgrade, it's essential.